We've all been there. You've created a stunning video to add to your next email campaign, and then reality hits. Email says, "Too big to send." Today's videos are sharper, longer, and higher quality than ever. That's great for your audience, but it can overwhelm your inbox. Email wasn't really designed for massive video files. Slow uploads, size limits, and storage constraints can make it feel impossible. The solution? Think outside the inbox. Cloud storage, AirDrop, or even a quick USB can get your video where it needs to go fast and stress-free. If you need to email the video anyway, a few quick fixes can help. Try compressing the file, trimming extra footage, or lowering the resolution to make it smaller. With Mailchimp, you can also use a video content block. Just add a thumbnail with a play button, and viewers can watch your video without the hassle of large files. Big videos don't have to mean big problems. With the right tools, sharing your work is simple, fast, and professional. Get started today with Mailchimp.